Owning a private jet is considered the ultimate luxury, but of course, to do so you need deep pockets. Fortunately for some of the people, money is no object. A private plane will be more opulent the more expensive it is. Let's check out the top 10 most expensive private jets in the world, which are owned by the wealthiest people on Earth and created by the best of designers, and beyond by their incredible grandeur and beauty. 10. Gulfstream III, $125 million. Tyler Perry, an American producer, actor, and director, is the current owner of the Gulfstream III. The aircraft can hold up to 14 passengers and has undergone substantial alteration throughout the years. It has a 42-inch HD LCD screen, a number of Blu-ray players, satellite TV, and a working theater. A large movie theater, a dining room, a living room, a VIP bedroom, and a bathroom are all present as promised. He then added some pricey antique items and paintings for good measure to really make it stand out. Although this Gulfstream III is not the largest, it is undoubtedly elegant. 9. Boeing 747-81 VIP, $153 million. The VIP in its name and price tag indicates that this Boeing 747 is not your typical Boeing 747. Owned by the Hong Kong real estate tycoon Joseph Lau, Boeing 747-81 VIP is among the most expensive jets in the world. It boasts all the latest technology and gadgets, giving maximum comfort as much as possible. The interior includes beautiful vaulted ceilings, spiral staircases, and the most opulent furniture. Its incredible 4,786 square feet of space features a stateroom, lounges, an office, and a massive dining room, making Donald Trump's jet look really small. The Boeing 747-81 VIP is the longest and second largest airliner ever built. It is powered by a team of 4 General Electric Gen X engines, and the plane can fly at 8,000 nautical miles non-stop. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you'll get notified when we upload the next video. 8. Boeing 767-33A ER, $150 million. The Boeing 767-33A ER, known as the Bandit, owing to its painted cockpit, features a gilded interior that is completed with solid chestnut furniture. Following the collapse of an agreement with Hawaiian Airlines, Ibrahimovic acquired the plane from Boeing and had it completely remodeled to his specifications. He obviously had to have had one of the most costly private aircraft in the world, since his collection of luxury gadgets wouldn't be complete without it. Ibrahimovic bought the plane from Boeing and had it customized when a contract with Hawaiian Airlines fell through. He decided that he needed one of the most expensive private jets in the world to complete his collection of expensive luxury toys. 7. Boeing 787-8 BBJ, $224 million. The Boeing 787-8 is a state-of-the-art carbon composite airliner. In 2016, China HNA Group spent an additional $100 million to have it turned into a private jet. The Boeing 787-8 BBJ is one of the most expensive private jets in the world, coming in at a staggering $224 million. BBJ stands for Boeing Business Jet, and the jet has approximately 2,400 square feet of room to enjoy. It can also accommodate up to 39 guests and has a rather impressive master suite. The suite includes a walk-in wardrobe, a double shower, and heated marble floors. The interior has a whopping 2,400 square feet of room. That means space for you and 39 of your closest friends. There's also a master suite with a California king-size bed, a walk-in closet, and a master bath with double-sized shower and heated marble floors. 6. Boeing 747-430, $233 million. The Boeing 747, owned by the Sultan of Brunei, is the 6th private aircraft on the list of the top 10 most costly private planes in the world. The model in question, sometimes referred to as the Dreamliner, has a total usable size of about 5,000 square feet. The master bedroom on this Boeing jet matches many 5-star hotels despite its exorbitant price and very straightforward design. Its inside is filled to the brim with gold, exquisite woods, and the most comfortable leather seats you can find. It is easy to spend a lot of money on customizing your jet when everything in it is made of gold, even the toilet handle. 5. Airbus A340300, $350 million. Airbus A340300 is the largest plane in Russia. With a cost range of $300 to $500, it is one of the most expensive and luxury private jets in the world. It is owned by the Russian billionaire Alisher Ashmanov and was named after his father. After he spent a lot of money customizing the plane, even though he only paid $238 million for it. The plane's features are unfortunately unknown, although rumors claim that it has a nightclub in addition to a luxurious cabin. Unfortunately, the plane specifics are kept under wraps. The private jet's initial purchase price was $238 million. However, with all the interior design, expensive furnishings, and technology included, it is predicted that the total cost will be in the $350 to $500 million range. 4. Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental BBJ $403 million. Like its younger sibling, the 787 BBJ, the 747-8 Intercontinental BBJ will cost you $403 million before you even pick up a paintbrush. On the list of the top 10 most costly private aircraft in the world, the private jet owned by a Hong Kong business magnate comes in at number 4. Unidentified VIP private owner who has added a stateroom, dining area, lounges, and even an office area to this plane. This Boeing jet's master suite is more luxurious than many 5-star hotels, despite its high price tag. 3. Airbus A380 Custom $500 million. Some things will never change: the blue of the sky, the Earth's rotation, water being wet, and rich people's rich lifestyle. But not even a billionaire prince could bring into reality the most ambitious, luxurious, and expensive flying palace, as the world's first private Airbus A380 was called. Some ideas are never meant to go past the concept stage, being more like blackboards against which you pin ideas that you could one day influence an actual project. This was not like that. It was the world's first private Airbus A380, a project so massive and costly that even Airbus didn't miss a beat in tooting its own horn about it while the ink was still wet on the contract. Today, we only know it as the Flying Palace, the gigantic luxury plane that never was. Business tycoon Prince Al Walid bin Talal of Saudi Arabia is the owner. The jumbo plane is said to have a symphony hall of its own, Turkish baths, prayer rooms, and a garage large enough to have 2 Rolls-Royce. The prince decided to adorn the interior, which swiftly drove up the price to $500 million from the $400 million cost of a regular commercial A380. 2. Boeing 747 refit $617 million. It belongs to an unnamed billionaire, and there isn't much information about how it's outfitted on the inside. Consider nevertheless that given the expensive cost, the inside will have a significant makeover and remodeling with some of the finest furniture. In addition to its very own onboard restaurant, it offers several bedrooms, baths, and lounges. The latest update to the 747 is the 747-8 Intercontinental, which made its first flight in February 2010. The Intercontinental features a longer fuselage and a stretched upper deck. It's able to carry 467 passengers in a typical configuration, or up to 660 people with high-density seating. Privatized versions of the 747-8 can hold up to 100 passengers in an ultra-luxurious cabin configuration and offer amenities such as private bathrooms with showers, full galleys for onboard dining, top-of-the-line electronic systems and entertainment options, plush seats that convert into beds, Wi-Fi internet and satellite phone access, comfortable lounges, and meeting rooms. There is room for living quarters as well as entertainment areas. 1. Air Force One $660 million. Air Force One is the priciest private aircraft in the world. The U.S. government owns and operates this 4,000 square foot triple-decker monster that has room for 100 passengers and 26 staff members. Though this upgraded version of the presidential Air Force One aircraft isn't quite finished yet, it's already the most expensive private jet of all time. It's not challenging to understand why, as the Air Force One plane is designed with both comfort and security in mind. For example, the current Air Force One, a Boeing 747-200B VC-25A, has tons of high-tech communications equipment. It's essentially a flying bunker. To safeguard the aircraft from an electromagnetic pulse, Air Force One has undergone physical and electrical hardening. Additionally, 2 fighter jets are always in pursuit of it, and it has the ability to refuel in midair. Even though it's the priciest plane, it's also the most expensive. Therefore, money won't get you a trip on this one. Any vehicle designed to transport the President of the United States will be worth a fortune. Let us know in the comments which of them do you love the most. Also, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.